this life goes by quick, and there's an idea that nobody you cross paths with in your life is at random. There's a purpose for all of it. My name is David Karash. I had started Keiko in 2008.
I was in the Navy for 4 years as an aviation structural mechanic.
I was in the Marine Corps from 2008 to 2012.
I joined the Marine Corps in March of 2001.
Keiko is working with the VA, and that's where I met David, and I was only here temporarily for 2 weeks, and he said, "I love you, you're great here, you're a great fit, will you be here full time?" And I said, "Absolutely."
So this opportunity here at Keiko gives me a lot of flexibility to have the family time, the work-life balance.
Working with all the guys makes me feel like I have a purpose again, like being in the military again.
If you're a veteran and you're looking for a job and you come here, you're gonna feel like you're back in the service a little bit, you know, you'll have that camaraderie.
Each one of those veterans out there are part of my family. That's how I look upon them, that's how I treat them.
David, he's a really super down-to-earth, humble guy.
It's not like a boss, he's like a dad almost, you know, he just comes out, he hangs out, he works just with us, you know, like he jokes around, he's a great guy.
I would definitely recommend this job here at Keiko to any vets looking for work, because you have that sense of belonging and that sense of pride.
It definitely is like a family and not like a job.